Presenting the Redmi 9 Power with its 48 MP quad camera setup and a massive 6000 mAh battery. Let's start with the design first. The Redmi 9 Power comes with an Aura Power design language which makes it look unique from every angle. The Redmi logo embossed on this particular device really gives it a powerful look. The Redmi 9 Power comes in four very peppy colors: the mighty black for the sophisticated, the fiery red for the bold and beautiful, the electric green for all the quirks in the house, and lastly, the blazing blue. This is personally my favorite color. For the very first time, presenting on any Redmi device a 6000 mAh battery. Not just any 6000 mAh battery. The Redmi 9 Power comes with an enhanced lifespan as well. What does that mean? In simple terms, say you have about 600 to 700 charge cycles on any ordinary battery, but on the Redmi 9 Power, you can stretch that up to 1000. And in even simpler terms, what that means is that any average battery lasts maybe 2 years, but on the Redmi 9 Power, you can go up to 3+ years with the battery being almost as good as new. 6000 mAh to theek hai, but what does it actually mean? It means 695 hours of standby time. That's about 29 plus days. It comes with 26 hours of full HD video playback and 13.5 hours of gaming. And to quickly juice up the 6000 mAh battery, it comes with an 18 watt fast charge support and a 22.5 watt fast charger in the box. Usually the downside to a bigger battery is a much heavier and bulkier phone. But with the Redmi 9 Power, we've managed to keep that in control. Despite having a 20% bigger battery in comparison to the Redmi 9 Prime, weighs exactly the same, which is 198 grams. The way we've been able to achieve this is by having a premium metal alloy frame used in its design. The Redmi 9 Power comes with a 6.53-inch FHD Plus display, which allows you to stream full high-definition content and gives a lot of ease to your eyes. Now, a lot of competition devices in this particular price segment only give you an HD Plus display. What that means is much lesser pixels per inch. In simpler terms, your images aren't that sharp. With the Redmi 9 Power and its FHD Plus display, you get twice as many pixels, which means much clearer pictures. The Redmi 9 Power is also entertainment ka boss. It comes with a Wide 1 L1 certification, and for the very first time on a Redmi device, it comes with high-res certified stereo speakers, one at the bottom and one on top. This allows for some epic level crystal clear sounds. Now let's talk about the power-packed camera on the Redmi 9 Power. The Redmi 9 Power comes with a 48 MP quad camera setup. This is the first time that on a number series, we're bringing our favorite 48 MP sensor from the Note series. Not just that, the 48 MP has been tuned very specifically for the India Me fans by our camera team. One of the features I really love is the color focus. What that does is basically, for example, if I'm the subject in question, I'm in color while my background becomes black and white. Guys, isn't it really cool? No other competition device in this price segment is able to provide a 48 MP camera sensor for you guys. Let's look at some of these pictures shot on the 48 MP sensor of the Redmi 9 Power. Whether it is good lighting or low lighting, you get some really crisp and sharp detailing on these photographs. Now comes the sample on the ultra-wide lens. With the ultra-wide lens, you can capture a much wider space. Get some great shots on any of these vacations that you've been planning to take. With the depth sensor, you get some beautiful portraits with a nice background blur, adding more depth to your pictures. The dedicated macro lens allows you to get closer to the subject and get some great details. We also have an 8 MP AI selfie camera to capture some stunning selfies for all you social media freaks. Now coming to the crux of the matter that all of you guys have been waiting for, the performance on this power-packed device. The Redmi 9 Power comes with a power-packed octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 utilizing 11nm process technology. It gives you all the speed you need with 8 new Qualcomm Cryo 260 CPU cores for all the speed you need and robust battery performance. It comes with Adreno 610 for all you gaming lovers and the Spectra 340T ISP for capturing some great shots up to 48 MP. The Redmi 9 Power comes with a standard 4GB of RAM and for all your storage needs up to 128GB of ROM. The icing on the cake is it comes with much faster storage of UFS 2.2. Every other competition device comes with eMMC storage, but the Redmi 9 Power allows you much faster read and write speeds with UFS 2.2. So basically, to simplify the benefits of UFS 2.2 over eMMC, what it helps you do is enhanced performance and better power efficiency of your processor, enables faster app load and multimedia browsing. It helps in high resolution multimedia capture. The UFS 2.2 comes with a write booster, which enables faster application startup and cache loading. The Redmi 9 Power also comes with a dual SIM slot, which are VoLTE and VO Wi-Fi enabled, and also comes with a dedicated microSD slot, which allows you to extend your internal memory up to 512 GB. The Redmi 9 Power comes with MIUI 12 out of the box with some great features like Game Turbo, Voice Changer, Screencast, and Ultra Battery Saver mode. Like what Murli just mentioned, we at Redmi take quality very seriously. So let's talk about some power-packed quality features on the Redmi 9 Power. The Redmi 9 Power comes with splash-proof nano coating for protection against spills and splashes. The display also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 added for protection against drops and scratches. This display is also TUV Rainland certified for low blue light emission. All the ports on the Redmi 9 Power, like the SIM tray, etc., have watertight seals for protection against water ingress. Also, these ports are corrosion proof that protects it from rusting in any high humidity regions. It also has a speaker's auto cleaning feature in the settings menu, which helps in cleaning the dust accumulated in the speaker cavity from time to time. Now that I've covered most of the power-packed features on the Redmi 9 Power, I'm sure you guys are waiting for the price. So over to Murli.
As compared to the Samsung M11, the Vivo Y20 and the Oppo A53, the Redmi 9 Power clearly stands out with a super powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, the 48 megapixel quad camera array, and that massive 6000 mAh battery. The 4GB, 64GB of Redmi 9 Power retails at 10,999 and the 4GB, 128GB variant at 11,999. The Redmi 9 Power will be available online on mi.com and amazon.in and offline at our Mi Homes